Beth from Patterning Books, and today I'd like to talk to you about the history of book folding. It all started in China. Happy folding.
The history of book folding. Book folding really couldn't have been made possible without the invention of paper. Paper was invented in 105 AD in China. The first book was not published until 868 in China again, and this was a Buddhist book. In the 1600s, origami was invented in Japan, but it did not become popular until the 1950s. Magazine folding was invented in 1964 by Eileen Jackson. This later led to book folding in 1999, and the first patterns were made available, but they were graphic. In 2001, computer programs were made. Origami was the first one. In 2007, the Kindle was born, which also meant books became less popular. In 2014, measured patterns were invented. In 2015, the method measure, mark, and fold came out. To learn more about book folding, check out my book, Book Folding for Beginners and Beyond, available on Amazon. Happy folding!